Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about two other highway projects that are going on in Jamaica. It's actually, they both are under the same project name, the Southern Coastal Highway. And I'm not sure why or how, but the Southern Coastal Highway, when you hear the name, you think of the highway that's being built from Harborview to Portland. And that's been done in two phases. You have the Harborview to Yalos section, and then from, I think it's the Yalos Bridge, and then from the Yalos Bridge to Portland is another section. Major road project, well needed. I mean, Portland is a beautiful parish, has a lot of hotels, some of the nicest beaches you'll ever find in Jamaica. St. Thomas, unfortunately, it's like a neglected parish. You only go there if you have to. They don't really offer much outside of the bath fountain, which is a mineral bath. And it's a part of Jamaica that people probably visit the least. One, the road to get there is terrible. And so this highway, excellent project. It will connect to Portland, which is a major tourist place. But tourists usually get there going on the Northern Coastal Highway from Montego Bay. Very nice road. A highway leading all the way from Negril to Portland. So the Southern Coastal Highway now is going to connect you from Kingston to Portland. Very needed project. It will put St. Thomas on the map. It will help them economically, etc. So that's what you think of when you think of the Southern Coastal Highway. But there's another section to the Southern Coastal Highway, and this is the part that's a little confusing, and I'm not sure why they did it. They have a highway that runs currently from Kingston to Maypen. It's part of the Highway 2000 project, and they call it the east-west leg of the Highway 2000, and that runs from Kingston to Maypen. Now that road is being extended from Maypen to Mandeville, but the extension from Maypen to Mandeville falls under the Southern Coastal Highway. So I'm not sure why they never just call it Highway 2000, but it's under the Southern Coastal Highway project. That's the name of the thing, Southern Coastal Highway. So the Southern Coastal Highway has three sections. One is Harborview to Yalos Bridge. Another part is the Yalos Bridge to Portland, and another part is from Maypen to Mandeville. So these are roads that are needed, but when Highway 2000 was designed, it was to run from Portmore. The Portmore Expressway is a part of Highway 2000, and then it was originally designed to run from Kingston to Mandeville, but the government at the time said they would build the Kingston to Maypen leg first, and then the Maypen to Mandeville leg another time. And it also in Highway 2000 included a highway to run from Caymanas Park or Kingston basically to Ocho Rios. That part has been built. Highway 2000 also included building a highway from Maypen to Discovery Bay and building a highway from Mandeville to Montego Bay. That's Highway 2000. So I was a bit surprised and a little confused as to why the Southern Coastal Highway, now the highway being built from Maypen to Mandeville, and it's on the way. It's more than 50% complete. Very nice road, well needed, don't get me wrong, well needed. Well, it's just, why is it now called the Southern Coastal Highway? Why not just call it what it is, the Highway 2000 project? I don't know if somebody had mentioned politics, that Highway 2000 was a project done under a previous administration, I don't know if that's the case, but that project, that leg of the highway, was always designed to be a part of Highway 2000. So I don't know how it becomes part of the Southern Coastal Highway now. So if anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section below, because I find it very curious. All right, well, now these roads are well needed. Jamaica is moving forward nicely. I must say the government is doing an excellent job with these highways, and the highways have helped people commute across Jamaica a great deal. Just to give you an example, to go from Kingston to Ocho Rios before the highway took an hour and 40 minutes. Now that is with no traffic delays, and everybody knows when you're going through Flatbridge and going over Mount Russell, you can be stuck there if there's an accident or if trucks block up the road for hours. So the Southern Coastal Highway, the North-South Highway, or Highway 2000 North-South Highway. Okay, before, let's say there was no traffic jams or accidents, it takes an hour and 40 minutes to get from Kingston to Ocho Rios. With the highway, it takes 40 minutes. So that alone shows you how much time you can save, and that's what you need to build a nation. You need proper road infrastructure. And the government, I must say, whichever government was in power at the time these roads were started, did an excellent job. It was well needed. And the highway from Kingston to Mandeville now, you can get there when the highway is completed in 40 minutes. So that again is an excellent project. It was well needed. And now it would take you like an hour and a half to get from Kingston to Mandeville if there were no traffic delays. So these projects are well needed. And the other legs of the Highway 2000 project, which will take you from Mandeville to Montego Bay, well needed. I am all for fixing up the road infrastructure. The country needs it, and Jamaica is growing. There are a lot more cars on the road, and these cities or these towns, you can put them back on the map if you have these highways. The Southern Coastal Highway is going to help St. Thomas so much. It's definitely needed, and I think the government is doing an excellent job with them. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.